once again, I have the same setup, except this time in my test tubes I have a solution of zinc sulfate, but I'm going to add the same 4 metals that I did before. So let's see what happens when I put the copper in the zinc sulfate. Put a couple little pieces of copper in there, and there is no reaction that is taking place. There's nothing happening, no bubbling, no fizzing, no color change. So we would say that that would be a no reaction. So now I have my little piece of magnesium. I'm going to drop that in, and it's kind of sitting there on top of the solution. Looks like maybe I'm getting some bubble production. I know that's kind of hard to see. My camera is not really focusing there, but I do, if you can look very closely, maybe if I turn it this way, you can see that we're starting to get some bubbling. You might even be able to hear it. I'm trying to focus in on it. There we go. You can see some bubbling that's taking place. You can hear it if you listen very closely. So we definitely have a reaction with the magnesium in the zinc sulfate. So next I'm going to add a little scoop of iron to the zinc sulfate, and it kind of floats on the top, a little bit settles to the bottom. Nothing happening with the iron at all. And now the last one, I'm going to add a piece of zinc into the zinc sulfate, and it sinks. Nothing's happening. So with the copper in the zinc sulfate, I did not get a reaction. I got some bubbling, some fizzing with the magnesium in the zinc sulfate, and then with the iron and the zinc, I did not get a reaction.